Today, we learn the difference between two important English words, wish and hope. These words sound similar but have very different meanings. Wish is for impossible dreams. Hope is for realistic expectations. Hope means expecting something positive in the future. It is realistic. You believe it can really happen. For example, when you think good things will come true, you use hope. Here is the main difference. Hope is for possible situations. You think they can happen. Wish is for impossible situations. They cannot happen in reality. Look at these examples. I hope I get a promotion this year. This is possible. She hopes to travel next summer. This can happen, but I wish I could fly like a bird. This is impossible. Hope is for real future possibilities. I hope it does not rain tomorrow. This is realistic. She hopes to visit Paris next year. This is a real plan. We hope you have a safe trip. This is possible. Wish is for impossible desires. I wish I could fly. Humans cannot fly. She wishes she were rich. She is not rich now. I wish I had studied harder. This is about past regret. Hope uses present simple tense even for future meaning. I hope you come. Wish uses past simple tense for present unreal situations. I wish I knew the answer. Remember this rule. Use hope for realistic futures and expectations. Use wish for unreal situations, imaginary desires, and past regrets. Hope believes it can happen. Wish knows it cannot. For past regrets, wish uses past perfect tense. I wish I had studied harder. For future annoyance, wish uses would or could. I wish you would stop talking. Now you know, hope equals realistic future possibilities. Wish equals unreal desires and regrets. Practice these patterns and use the right word every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.